Hey guys, today is how many 777 AJ, and oh my gosh, this video is look at my animal. Do you notice something that I did not have the last time I made a video? It's probably pretty obvious to you right now. The headdress! Okay, that's not even the biggest part. You do not even want to know how I got this headdress. This is probably one of the biggest undertrades in Animal Jam. I'm not even kidding. You don't even want to know what I got for this. It's probably like one of the biggest undertrades. Okay, so this looks good on this, and you know, Allie, my sister, her name is 555AJ, told me this would look good on this. And so yeah, I got an orange headdress, and I don't have an orange long right now. I need to get one so I could put this on, but I have an orange on this. Anyways, oh my gosh. Okay. So anyways, I got this for, are you ready? A black short collar. I literally got this for a black short collar and a pair of red non-glossy Cupid wings, which are only a den made of. So I basically got this for a black short collar. Like, seriously. It was, okay, let me tell you the story though. Okay, so yesterday I was just in, I was in a diamond shop trying to look for the jelly items because I didn't know it was at the party, but I do now. But I was looking for the diamond shop items, the jelly stuff. I just saw this person with a headdress, I'm like, ooh, headdress, everybody clicks that when I see one. And then I don't know why I clicked on their trade list, but then I saw they had a headdress and then like a rim, like a regular rim, and then like a diamond shop animal. Like they looked poor, but then they just had a headdress on their trade list. I was like, this is a little suspicious. Maybe they don't know what it's worth. As you know, in the end, they didn't. So I just decided I could probably have gotten it for like a short wrist or like a long wrist. Because in the end, I just ended up trading this, and then I just added some Cupid wings, because I didn't know. I probably could have traded for less. They probably just thought, ooh, a rare spike for my rim. They probably thought it was a rim. They probably got gifted by AJHQ, or got it from someone else who didn't know, or somehow has it. I'm guessing AJHQ gifted it to them, because otherwise they wouldn't have this, and they would know what it was worth. If they got it from someone else, they would know what it was worth, unless they got it for way under trade there, but they look super poor except for this. So I was like, oh my gosh, are they actually accepting this? And I got it. I literally ran to my sister, and she's so impressive. Like I said, I never thought I'd see this in my inventory. Never. Never did I think I'd see this in my inventory. Literally, I did not think I'd see a headdress in my inventory. But it's worth 8 back longs, and I do. So now, if you wanna, I'm basically just taking trade attempts right now. So yeah, I'm not really trading it because you can tell I just got it yesterday, and I'm super excited about it. So I'm probably just taking trade attempts unless it's like 10 back long worth or something. So yeah. I don't know why I'm running through my demo right now, but anyways, thank you for taking the time to watch this. It's so cool. I'm so happy. Yeah, make sure you like this and subscribe to me if you haven't already. Comment something, like, I might do a giveaway soon though, since I got this. Like, I can do a giveaway, so I might do like a long list giveaway or something. But make sure you comment what kind of videos you want to see. If you want me to do some more cutting videos, more mail time. I'm working up to get some mails right now. I'm working up to get some gifts right now, so yeah. This is shorter than usual because, like I said, I was just coming on to tell you about this. I think that's all for today. So, yeah, peace out, bye!